Hey yo, it's your boy Codehova from Fly Combinator. We're pimping Swift. We're going to be shortly just talking about force unwrapping optional. So we've seen the force unwrapping happen here and there because just to make examples quick. And I just wanted to play this real quick. So force unwrapping optionals, we're using the bang, all right? And the bang again, it's the exclamation mark. So we have these optional values, int optional. So it's like 40 int optional plus 60. Let's try to run that, and it's saying, yo, you can't add an int with an int optional. So since we know that this is 40, let's just use the bang. And if we run it, we got the 100. All right. But again, it's not safe, man. You just need to know. You only know to use the bang when you're goddamn sure that this shit is an actual value. Because if you do it in this case where it's a 4 and the letter O and you run it, ooh, we got a crash, an exception, an execution error. And that is no good. And when you have a fatal error, you're fucked. You're going to deal with a crash. And when you deal with crashes, especially on an app, ain't nobody, man, people are going to leave you 1-star reviews. People are going to throw away your app. I mean, then you're going to get that shit in analytics. And if you're at a gig, you dig, it's like people is going to know that crash was made by you because they're going to be able to tell who wrote that code with the bang in it. So definitely not a good look. So you only use bangs when you're just practicing in Xcode playgrounds. You know, you're just testing software. But when you're gonna ship production grade level code, you always have to do something smart, man. You always have to be using some if-lets, guard-lets, nil coalescing. You're gonna have to write that shit smart. And bangs are not smart. Every time you use a bang operator, man, a kitten dies. A dog, a puppy dies. So don't use the bang, the force unwrapping if you don't need to. And you know what? All the time, you don't need to. You can always write some shit very, very clean by doing, again, if-let, guard-let, nil coalescing, or some other fancy shit that you're going to learn about in the future. You dig? So that's fancy, not fancy. That's force unwrapping optionals. All right? Bangs. Bangs, bangs, bangs. Bangs. Don't use bangs. You dig? It's your boy Codehova, Fly Combinator. Let's get it.